Right, that means give me those chickens in Tiger. Enzo's ready, just got out of the pool. And there you go, Enzo. Perfect. Diego. Enzo just wants to catch them. He doesn't care much about eating right now. Diego is more into the eating thing. He's less into the catching thing. But Enzo, this is a huge chicken. It's huge. So, Enzo, here comes the next one. There you go. And he's caught that one as well. Yeah. He's going to eat that one. And Diego, well, he lost out. And now he's left his chicken right next to Enzo. So, that means give him a new chicken. Diego, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, that means he's ready. Here it comes. Okay, catch it. And he's got it. Yeah, no one's going to tell him he didn't catch it. And no one's going to take it. Unless he leaves it again. He's so funny. But yeah, that's it for tonight. I'm giving them less, but these chickens are huge. I don't think they... And if I look at their bodies, they look like they've had quite a lot to eat. Diego. Yeah. He just told me why I should not take that chicken away from him. And he kind of convinced me. Right, let's give some to the cats. He'll just be watching. Diego. No. I need another hand. To give the cats their chicken. Okay, I'm going to throw another one to you, Diego, a small one. Are you ready? Are you ready? Actually, if I have to say exactly what he is telling me right now, it is don't throw more chickens. Why? Because he does not want to eat them and he is going to have to guard them all the time. So I understand him. That is why he does not want me to throw another one in. Okay, I won't. We'll throw you one tonight before you go to bed. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing. Let me just put 2 down for the cats. He's looking at them. It's almost like he finds these more interesting than the others. Let me ask him. Do you want this one, Diego? Do you want this one? I'll throw it to you. No, he doesn't want it. Oh, and there goes the cats. Enzo, peaceful as can be, just minding his own chicken over there. Yeah, Diego. Diego. Do you want this, Diego? I think I'm gonna throw it to him. Yeah. Just to keep him happy. Here it comes, Diego. Are you ready? You didn't even look. Okay, no. That's his. He can take it if he wants, or he can guard it if he wants. I threw it quite close so I can take it out if I want to. So he does not need to look after it for the rest of the night. Well, I've got a funny feeling it's not going to be necessary, because Enzo is already almost done. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, what's not to enjoy about that? He's amazing. And if you feel that sound as it hits you, you have to do this for 10 years before you can hold that camera in his face. It's not something that you're just going to be able to do. In any case, thanks Diego. We'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Like always, have a great day.